I'm trapped in my mind, girl, just holding on. I don't want that.
What's up, guys? It's the Savvy Cat. Today I'm here filming this eye makeup look. If you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. So first, I'm just going in with my MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre, and I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow primer. And basically I'm just going to put it all over my lid and make sure there's like no hard lines or anything. Just blend it all. Also, I'm doing my eyes before my face because this palette I'm using today does have a little bit of fallout and I didn't feel like cleaning it up. The palette I'm using is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm just gonna use that yellow and pack it all over my lid, making sure to put a bunch on, just cake it all on. The brush I'm using is just some random one I got in the Modern Renaissance palette. Now with the orange shade, I'm just going to take it on the fluffy brush. I don't know the exact name of it. I got it at Sephora. It's like a blending fluffy brush. And I'm just going to put that on the outer like V and drag it into the crease as kind of a transition color. Hot pink shade, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it on the outer V and then drag it into the crease. But I'm going to dip it in more than once to kind of get more pigment. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost. I'm taking the yellow again and putting it back all over my lid, just to give it a little bit more vibrancy. With the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, I'm going to be drawing my wing. I completely underestimated how difficult it was to do a wing on camera. I haven't done it in so long, like I was so nervous. With the same flat brush that I used in the beginning of the video, I'm going to take that orange and drag it along my under eye. Finally, I'm going to take the really dark red and also put it under my eye, focusing on the outer corner the most. To finish it all off, I'm using my CoverGirl Super Sizer Fibers mascara and just doing my mascara and stuff. I'm going to speed up the video and I'll show you the makeup look afterwards, completely finished. This is the final makeup look. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys so much. Bye!